Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In today's video, we will be learning if you can kick someone off of Netflix. When it comes to kicking off someone from Netflix, there isn't a direct way to do so. Netflix is designed for personal use and sharing accounts can violate their terms of service. However, if you suspect unauthorized use of your account, then here is how you can easily solve the issue. First of all, go ahead and change your password immediately. Log into your Netflix account and then, once you are in, mouse over to your profile avatar at the top right corner. From the menu popping up, click on Account. After opening up your Accounts tab, go to Update Password option and click on it. On the next page, enter your current password you are using for your Netflix account in the first box. On the next field, type in your new password you are trying to change to. Re-enter the password once again and make sure that you check this box over here that says sign out of all device. Finally, click on the save button and soon after you do this, you will be able to log out of your Netflix account on all of the devices that you are logged in with, which may also be an unauthorized access, and it'll sign you out of all of those devices right after you change your password and click on this little sign out of all device box. So that was one way you can kick someone off of Netflix. The next thing you can do is to contact your Netflix customer support and they can provide additional assistance and may be able to help you identify the sources of the unauthorized access. So that is how you will be able to kick someone off or kick someone that has unauthorized access to your Netflix account in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.